Question answer, class 7th, chapter 16. Very short answer type question. Question number 1. Which snow-capped mountain is a water resource to Indian rivers of northern plain? Its answer is Himalayas. Himalayas. Now question 2. Name two sources of water used for irrigation. Answer is groundwater and rainwater. Groundwater means underground water and rainwater. These two sources of water used for irrigation by the farmers. Question number 3. What is an aquifer? An aquifer is a natural reservoir of water that can be used for drinking. It is a reservoir of water and this water can be used for drinking. Question 4. What is a dam? Dams are huge reservoirs of water created by building walls across a river. Dams, these are built over a river and water is stored in a dam. Question number 5. What would you do in order to conserve water runoff from roads? From roads to conserve water runoff, we make drains on the sides of the road and allow the water from drains to go down as groundwater. The rainwater from the roads is flowed into the drains and from the drain it becomes the part of groundwater. Short answer type question. First question is, what is water cycle? Answer is the continuous circulation of water in nature through evaporation, condensation and precipitation. And water is renewed continuously in nature by the water cycle. In water cycle, the water from the water bodies goes into the atmosphere and then comes back to the earth's surface. Question 2. List two reasons which has lead to water scarcity in our country. Answer is rise in demand of water from industrial sector. Different industries using water. So there is a demand for water. Second is deforestation leading to scanty rainfall and large water runoff because of lower water retention by the soil. So these two reasons which has lead to water scarcity in our country. Question 3. Explain how farmers can conserve water while irrigating their field. Farmers can conserve water while irrigating their field by using drip irrigation technique. Use PVC pipes to transport water from tube wells to fields instead of mud canals. So by these two methods, farmers can conserve water. By the drip irrigation, the water is given to the individual plant and not to the whole field. Question 4. Why is there a need to conserve water? Answer is the fresh water supply available for consumption. This is only about 3% of the total world supply of water. Every living being needs water. Water is foundation of food and life and we cannot live without water. Saving water helps to preserve our environment. So there is a need to conserve water. Long answer type question. First question is, water is considered as a precious liquid. You have to explain. Now, water is one of the most important natural resource and this is used by human and living being next to air. Is found in any material at varying level. Any material means different fruits, vegetables, living matter, they contain water. Ocean hold 97% of all the water on the earth and it is used for drinking. Water is used for drinking but not the ocean water. Water is needed by plants and animals to perform various life processes to survive and grow. As human population is growing, the natural habitat of plants and animals, they are shrinking. So we have to conserve this precious liquid. Now the question number 2. Draw a rainwater harvesting system and explain its component. Now the component of rainwater harvesting, these are catchment area, conduit, filtration system, storage system and reuse system. Rainwater harvesting can be as simple as an inverted umbrella that collects the rainwater and directs it into a container. Very simple process. Alternatively, it can be a complex system that harvests every drop of rain that falls on your premises and then puts it back into your water supply system. The choice of the system depends on the size of the catchment area, the amount of rainfall received, and the end use of harvested water, and of course your budget. Children, here you are seeing a modern rainwater harvesting system. The catchment area, this is the sloping roof. Conduct, this is the pipe. And now the filtration system, and then storage system, and then the reuse system. By the reuse system, harvested water, this is used by the house members.